What if perfection wasn't built, but crafted, piece by piece? This is how a legend is born, the Porsche 911. Welcome back to my channel. Bushcraft and camping. The engine assembly begins. Every movement is precise. Every detail matters. A technician carefully installs the connecting rod onto the crankshaft. Forged from high-strength steel, it's built to handle extreme performance. Lightweight rods reduce mass, making the engine faster, sharper, more alive. Nothing is rushed. Every bolt is tightened to perfection. Now the crankshaft is lowered into place. It must align flawlessly. The engine case is sealed. This is where power is born. Next, the cylinder heads. They lock in combustion, containing explosive energy with total control. Timing components are installed. Every tooth, perfectly aligned. Because even the smallest mistake means failure. Now the valves. Each one must seal perfectly. Precision here defines performance. The wiring is connected. Sensors, ignition, control, everything comes alive. Then, the turbocharger. This is where power multiplies. Spinning at incredible speed, turning exhaust into pure acceleration. The engine is complete. But a Porsche is more than an engine. Inside another workshop, leather is chosen by hand, not just for looks, but for feel. Every stitch, every curve handcrafted. This isn't just an interior, it's an experience. Now, the body begins. Robotic arms move with perfect coordination. Panels are placed, welded, sealed. The shape of the 911 appears. Iconic. Timeless. Next, paint. Layer by layer, perfection builds. Color depth. Reflection. Not just paint. Identity. Then comes assembly. Glass, lights, interior, electronics, all installed with precision. The engine meets the chassis. This moment is called the marriage. Everything comes together. Final inspection. Every detail checked by hand. Only perfection moves forward. And here it is. Not just a car, but a masterpiece.